guys, welcome back to my channel Learning French with Kanika. So today we will learn a different topic. It's a verb. Yeah, in my previous class we learned verb être, so to be verb. Today we will learn verb avoir. What is called exactly to have verb in English. Okay, so avoir verb, to have verb. What is the conjugation of the avoir verb? So today I will teach you the conjugation of the avoir verb and the pronunciation and the use of that avoir verb, how to use the avoir verb in a very simple way, when you just start building up the sentence. It's a very simple sentence. So just starting with the conjugation. J'ai, toi, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Okay? J'ai means I have, toi, you have, il a, he or it has, elle a, she or it has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you have, ils ont, they have, elles ont, they have. So that's how we actually conjugate the verb avoir, to have verb. Okay, so you can understand the j'ai, that means I have, that means first person singular. Toi, you have, that means second person singular. Il a, that means third person singular. Elle a, third person singular but the feminine form. Okay, nous avons, we have, first person plural. Vous avez, you have, second person plural. Ils ont, they have, third person plural. Or elles ont, they have, that means third person plural but it should be feminine. Okay, so that's clear. Now we will move to the example, that how we will use that avoir verb in the sentence. And it's a very simple sentence. I already made it for you because it's the beginning of the French language, so that is why the first sentence is le garçon a un livre, the boy has a book. Okay, la maison a une chambre. La maison a une chambre. The house has a room. J'ai une fille. I have a daughter. Nous avons une maison magnifique. We have a beautiful house. So that's how actually we can construct a sentence with the avoir verb. It's very simple, as it is the être verb, which I already taught you in the previous class. So le garçon, I'm just repeating once again the example so that you will be it will be better understand for you. Le garçon a un livre, la maison a une chambre, j'ai une fille, nous avons une maison magnifique. Okay, so that means you can understand how we use that avoir verb against the subject. So the le garçon, the boy, third person singular, the verb will be a. La maison, third person singular, the verb will be a. J'ai, first person singular, the verb will be ai, a. J'ai une fille. First person plural, nous avons une maison magnifique. So that's all for today's class, and don't forget to like and subscribe my videos and channel, because you will get to learn more learning videos in my channel. And I am ending up my videos here only. So we will see you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.